So if you guys pick up the sample pack, this is the scene that you guys will get included in the sample pack. You'll get all of the point lights, you will get all of the towers that I've created, all of the materials that I've created, and you will get the modular assets that I used. And this includes multiple different sizes of dome roofs, different styles of towers, different sizes of towers, as well as pre-built towers. If you want to just populate a scene with towers, you will be able to do that. I have 2 different styles of tower here. All of these are custom made materials, and just to show you some of the versatility of these materials, I'll give you a quick showcase. So these materials are quite editable. I've tried to build them out as easily as possible, and everything will be packed within the Blender file. Right here we have the height of the brick going into this color ramp. We also have the diffuse of the brick. And the nice thing about the diffuse of the brick is you can change the color. Right here at the hue saturation, if you want to change the color of your bricks, it's just sliding this slider. You can change the value, make them darker, change the saturation. And so that is the brick, that is brick material. And then this is brick 2 material right here. So I have 2 different styles of brick. This one, same exact editing ability. These ones are a little bit more on the less rough side. So these bricks are a little less rough. You'll have the same editing capabilities with this brick 2 material. If you want to change the color, the saturation, the value, it's all there as well. And last but not least, we have this metal material here. It's got some roughness and some scratches to it. This material is also completely changeable. So that is called the roof material. And this is where you will change the colors for that roof. So the bottom color ramp, roof base color, and up here, edgewear color. Top BSDF shader will be your edgewear color. You can set that to whatever you want. Make it shiny, make it not shiny, take the metalness down and the roughness up, make it more like stone. So all of this is completely editable, and the changing the color here, it's like we could have blue and yellow or whatever you're looking for. And the edgewear will still be whatever color the top one is, right? Set this to red, and that will be your edgewear. So, and as soon as you update one of those materials, it will do it to all of them. So very editable, very manipulative. Mess with it to where it fits your scene the best. Change the style of your material, how you want it to look. And I hope you guys get some use out of this. I'm pretty stoked on how this turned out. I really like this pack. Brick 2, I feel like needs to be lighter. Yeah, I like that better. But I hope you guys get some use out of this. And I'm excited to see what you guys make. If you're looking for a really useful castle pack, go check this out. It's on Gumroad. It's only $10. Comes with this whole scene besides some of the assets that are in it. And I would love to see what you guys make with it. I hope that this is something that you guys can use.